basic engineering, we've gone through STEM challenges, like making paper towers that were the tallest and so that they wouldn't fall, spaghetti towers, like for strength, and garbage bag fashion, like over there. And we've gone through like other problems and solutions. Yeah, so that's what we've been doing.
We took an umbrella. We thought that they were really boring and they didn't have that much functions. So we added LED lights, a hand warmer and a cup holder so it would be less boring and more functional.
And we used teamwork and problem solving and finding skills. And we did use a design process and it was lots of fun and it turned out quite well. And yeah, it's nice.
We learned that pretty much any problem can have a solution.